And now don't say, I will teach you how we will fix this.
Yo makers, welcome to Channel Melty Metal. Take a good look at this busted microwave. Most people see trash, but today we're turning this dead kitchen appliance into $1 million workshop tool. We are going to rip out the guts, harvest the steel, and fire up the welder. Let's get melty! First up, the autopsy. Quick safety check, guys. Always discharge the capacitor before opening the microwave. We are harvesting the motor, the heavy-duty sheet metal, and those sweet magnets. Look at these parts. It's a free gold mine. Now for the fun part. Time to bring out the angle grinder. We need to resize this casing to build the solid base of our new tool. Mark it, cut it, grind it down. Nothing beats the smell of fresh cut steel in the morning. Alright, my favorite time. Hood down, torch on. We're going to fuse this together with some heavy duty beads. Look at that glowing puddle. That is the Melty Metal magic right there. A quick coat of paint to give it that funky style. Wire up the salvage motor, and boom! We just turned household trash into a custom that would have cost a fortune at the hardware store. Now that we have our parts, it's time to build the chassis. We're using the old microwave housing as our base. I'm taking the angle grinder and cutting out a solid steel frame. Mark your lines, keep your hands steady, and let the sparks fly. We need precision here, so our new tool sits dead flat on the workbench. The frame is welded and cooled down. Next, we need to mount that microwave motor we salvaged earlier. I'm drilling out the mounting holes and bolting it directly to our custom steel base. Once the motor is locked in tight, I'm attaching a custom spindle we fabricated, which is going to hold our sanding wheel. We're also wiring up the old microwave power switch to control it. 100% recycled. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, listen to that purr. We just turned a piece of junk into a heavy-duty, high-torque bench tool that would have cost a fortune brand new. It grinds, it sands, and it's built like an absolute tank. If you guys enjoyed this scrap metal rescue, make sure to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and tell me in the comments what we should melt down next. Until next time, stay creative, stay funky, and keep making sparks. See ya!